Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ELV Smart Stand. This is a aluminium stand for mobile and tablets. There is not much information on this box. That's more or less all of the information that you can see right now. It's comes in three variants: SSM Antique Silver, SSM Black and SSM Silver. Okay, which one is this? This is the Antique Silver variant. Now let's open this box and take a look at the stand. So there you go, this is what the ELV Smart Stand looks like. There are four anti-skid stops underneath. It's supposed to, so it will stand like this. The phone will come over here and the charging cable will go through this particular hole and then outside like so. Will go through here and then outside like so. There is also a rubber strip over here to prevent the phone from slipping away. It's a nice touch. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the ELV Smart Stand. Thank you for watching.